we were asked to investigate a leakage issue. In a villa in Dubai Sports City, after visiting, we noticed that their leakage is due to a problem in the master bathroom at the upper floor. After our initial check, we started to remove the WC to see if there is any leakage due to the WC connection, as we noticed it is shaky. After refixing, we realized that the issue still persists. We opened the ceiling and noticed that the water is coming continuously. So we had to check again, and we noticed that the valve beside the WC is wet. And after more investigation, we finally found the source of the leakage and replaced the valve.
Hi, good afternoon. Just we visit on the villa as per the client requirement, water leakage from the ceiling. As you can see, we find the leakage on the multiple place, once on the corner and once on the center close to the light. So as we check everything and we find in the upside have that washroom. So mostly chance of the leakage from the section line and the discharge line also. So as per the pressure of the water, it's coming the continuously. So I think it's a leakage from the section line. And now I want to show you the which area have the leakage exactly from the upside of that area. So as we come here, we find have some mark of the leakage on the bathtub. So already we rectify that one. And we are digging the below the tile, and we find some little bit wet sand here. So that is under the observation. And the further thing, we find the big leakage around the angle valve, of that area beside the WC. So now we are going to rectify that one, and that will be the leakage will be stopped.